beautiful neighborhoods in Ormond Beach, but there's nothing quite like living on the river. Welcome to 89 North St. Andrews Drive in beautiful Ormond Beach. This 4-bedroom, 2.5 bathroom home sits on an incredible lot. And the best part is that you also own a quarter of the lot next door. When you walk through those double doors and enter the home, you are first captivated by the home's architecture. It's absolutely beautiful. The tall ceilings, the exposed beams, and as you make your way up that landing to the foyer area, you just feel like you're at home. And walking into the living room with the beautiful bay window, you can't help but look into the dining area. That view is what it's all about. Those big, beautiful windows that kind of meet in the corner. It's kind of Frank Lloyd Wright inspired, where the seam just kind of goes away and it's really about the outdoors. And that's what this property is all about. It's about captivating a beautiful home where you can live but enjoying the surrounding area. As you make your way into the kitchen, you'll notice it's brand new. It's a gorgeous kitchen, center island, stainless steel appliances, hardwood cabinetry, and again, it's all about the views outside. The primary is truly a sanctuary. It has its own private bathroom, which is fully remodeled, lovely fresh paint, beautiful flooring, and those double doors out to your private deck is just breathtaking. That's what it's all about. Being outdoors, connecting with nature in Florida, and this home gives you all of that. The feeling that I get when I see this property is that it's expansive. You know, the living area upstairs speaks for itself. You have this lower level that you can create memories in. You can turn it into a man cave. You could make it a secondary office. It could be a place for the kids. But when you step outside, that's when I really connect to Florida living. The ability to get out to the intercoastal and even out to the ocean is just one of those things that adds value. Finding the right home that gives you not just the basics, but more, because you deserve that. And I know when you come to visit, you will feel like you are at home. So if you'd like to come and tour this home, feel free to call me. I'd love to set up an appointment so that you can truly experience this home for yourself.